With MP-Skin, customizing your Matterport tours is easy. By using our Extend HTML feature, custom fonts can easily be implemented with just a few clicks. First, we navigate to the Extend HTML tab. To the right, you will see a small selection of HTML code snippets. To change the skin's font, we start by inserting the corresponding code snippet. The code snippet already contains a new font. Looking closely, we can see the font listed in two different lines of code. In this case, the font is Pathway Gothic 1. If we want to match the skin font to the font our client uses on their website, we first need to find the correct font. To do this, we open the client's website and press Ctrl and U on our keyboard. This opens the source code of the website. We then open the search bar and search for the word font. In most cases, you will see several results, one of which will list the font that is being used on the page. In our example, the font is EXO. With this information, we can now go back to our skin. We find the lines that contain the example font from the code snippet and replace it with EXO. After hitting Save, we can check the result in the skin. This method can be used for all fonts, as long as they are Google fonts. Let's try a few more examples. If our font name consists of multiple words, we add a plus symbol instead of a space between the words in line 3 of the code. And that's it! Subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on how to take your Matterport tours to the next level. Thanks for watching!